welcome back to the channel. You got your girl. You got your girl, Purple. And baby. Whew, I gotta take a seat, guys. And you guys are in my bedroom, which is something that normally does not happen. And that is happening because your girl is preggo, and I'm not gonna say I'm lazy, but I have to be comfortable. And right now, I'm doing like 3 or 4 things at one time, and I said, you know what? Let me turn the camera on and talk to my fam. I'm eating a little bit of breakfast. I get these croissant sandwich breakfasts. This one is bacon, egg, and cheese. And I do the sausage, egg, and cheese as well when I want a quick breakfast or something in the morning. But I've been up for a couple of hours, and I don't know if you can see my clock over there, but it's just after 8 o'clock. I've been up. I turned my bed into a craft area because it's just more comfortable with me. When my back starts hurting, I can prop up the pillows and put everything how I need it to help me feel better. I'm going to show you guys what I'm working on right now. And you see this little guy? Isn't he cute? Or she? This is what I'm doing. Ooh, I'm about to choke myself. This is what I'm doing right now for the baby shower. Some of the table decorations. It's very tedious putting this little, I don't know what you call this stuff. Streamer or whatever it is. Putting that on to each one of these. And I ordered these. I thought all this stuff came together. No wonder the set was so cheap. You gotta put every freaking thing together. But I got a couple of hours today. I'm dedicating to that. This right here is another item that I got that I have to put together. So I'll be doing this as well. These are boxes that spell out the word baby. And apparently I got to put it together, and these are the letters that are inside of there I have to put on. And inside of the box they're clear. A lot of people use these for decorations at their baby showers, and they put balloons in them. I ain't got time for that. So what I'm going to put inside of mine, I'm going to put color tissue paper inside of each box. So each box will have a different color of blue or gray or yellow tissue paper inside of the box. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with these. And I'm pretty sure you guys see the glue over here. So yeah, I've been crafting, and my patience, guys, my patience is not how it used to be. And I'm gonna blame it all on the baby boy right here. Whew. Because I started this, which you guys can't see that, but I have them drying them right now. These are diapers, and I have them numbered all the way up to number 6. So there's 6 diapers, and then there's a question mark diaper, and this is for the diaper game that we'll be playing at my baby shower. And I'm titling that game as What My Baby Ate. So you know how you pick up your baby and you want to know, well, what he ate. So in those diapers, I'm going to put 6 different things that my baby possibly ate. You have to open that diaper and write down what you think my baby ate, because it done came out now. It's in the diaper. It could range from anywhere from food items to things that toddlers pick up off the floor, or like crayons. A lot of kids like to eat crayons. I mean, there's going to be 6 of them. And I did get the question mark one just in case we had a tie of anybody that got a certain amount of them right. This will be the tiebreaker. So that's why we have the one with the question mark. So right now they're drying because I had to glue the numbers onto the diapers. So I have them laid out over here drying. And I'm currently working on these things. These are so tedious. Now I got one side done but not the other side. And they're all different little elephants, which is going to be the baby's theme for the baby shower. It's going to be like an elephant theme, as well as his room. His room will be done in like elephant and shades of blue and gray, if anybody was wondering. I'm also working, those are the letters that the numbers that I used for the diapers. I'm also working on my babysitting coupons. Show you guys what this is. Certain people that will be attending my baby shower will receive one of these from me. And what it is a babysitting coupon. And it's to whomever. And it says this coupon has a value of, let's say, we'll pick one of my cousins. My good cousin April, who's one of the hosts to the baby shower. So, you know, she's very close to me. She's one of the first people that knew that I was with child. So she's gonna be a good backbone for me, because you guys know I don't have any sisters. So my first cousins are kind of like my sisters. So, okay, it says babysitting coupon to April. This coupon will have a value of, let's say, 24 hours worth of babysitting your lovely nugget for free. And it is going to be valid from birth to 1 year old. And with this, I will give this to her. I have 24 hours of free babysitting from her. Not that I'm going to take it all at once. My babysitting is going to be in like increments of 2 to 3 hours. Like, because you watch the little baby, you would watch the little one for me while I go get my feet done. That's like an hour, 2 hours. Things of that nature. I'm not looking for a, oh, watch my baby all day type of thing. So I'll be handing these out to certain people with their names on it, the amount of hours that they've been delegated to be babysitting for me. And yeah, I have a stack of these that my cousins are going to get, some of my friends, a couple of co-workers. So I'm excited to fill these out and personalize these for everybody. So that's another item that I will be doing today. Sometimes the middle of these things get to be so hard. You can't even eat it. You don't have to eat around it. And if you hear that noise outside, which I'm pretty sure y'all heard it, that's one of my neighbors out there cutting the grass at 8:15 in the morning. They're out there cutting the grass, and they've been doing it already. So they started around 7 something, which I was already up. The last thing that I'm gonna attempt to do today, hopefully I get all this stuff done by noon. I'm not in a rush, I'm just pacing myself. So like I said, when my back starts hurting, I prop the pillows up and I lay back for a little bit until I feel a little better. These are some items that I got from Shop Miss A. I have some other things that I bought. I'm going to be compiling my gift bags for my two hosts, which is my two cousins, Melissa and April. But I'm going to personalize them for things I know that they like. Each one are different, will be different. And my cousin Melissa, you guys met her on my girls trip, which it was her birthday weekend. And we talked about her makeup. And we kind of dogged her just a little bit, just a taste, about that makeup palette. But in between that time, I did buy her another palette. She has, you guys should see her. Her face has been beat since she got that new makeup palette. But I have a lot of other little goodies that I'm pretty sure she's going to love. And I can't wait to get her little gift bag together, because it's going to be kind of like makeup-ish. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff here, like lashes, that I'm going to put in her gift bag. And like a little bracelet. Just things of that nature. I have some other stuff in the other room that I'm going to put in it. But I don't want to show everything because, like I said, they watch my videos. So, yeah. Yeah. I don't know about these, so I'm probably going to put these in a gift bag too, because I don't even remember ordering these. I don't know why I would order them. So guys, that's what your girl Purple and the baby is up to for the day. We're getting some things together for the baby shower. So we're doing some little game crafting. I will also be doing a question and answer for you guys, because I see a couple people has asked me, are we going to do a Q&A? We're going to do a Q&A. And I'll let you guys know when. I'm not sure if I want to do it live, or if I just want to ask you guys to ask me the questions, and then I come back and do the video in reference to your questions. I haven't decided yet. We'll see how that works out. So if you have a burning question that you've been wanting to ask me, be on the lookout for that video. So I just wanted to let you guys see what I'm up to, what I'm doing. So now I'm going to wash my hands and get back to my baby elephants. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Drop any questions, comments, concerns below. Oh, feel like an old lady, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about this baby bump. Give the video a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. And I'll talk to y'all later. Later, guys.